looks like a van that like pedophiles get kids in.
Yeah, that's exactly the same.
If you kidnap 10 more children, you can unlock the golden skin.
You guys are so mean, man. Give me 10 days. Give me 10 days.
Like this is the length of your bed.
The bed will probably be something like this.
Yeah, lor, this is like not even 5 feet.
No, but you can sleep on the box.
Can okay, lor, if can then can. It's tight.
So right now we have like a ton of stuff in the backseat because we're building out our van. Baby, shake your butt. What do they know? I love the song.
Maybe help me.
There you go, honey. Say hi.
Hello, mommy.
Where are you now? You're on top of the van. Nah. Go for it.
You can do it.
This is the midnight situation. My boyfriend is on top of a van trying to settle stuff. Let's go up and check what's going on.
Oh,
So
baby,
we've spent the whole day trying to saw this. Wait. This is the moment. This is the moment, honey. This is the moment. This is almost falling out. This is damn crazy.
Ready?
Oh my god. Yeah. Let's do this. My baby spent all night. What do you want to say?
Screw you guys. We're gonna finish this in the next week.
Nah. The screws are in.
So cold. Come on, baby.
Are you freezing? It's so cold here. So we just installed our fan where the hole was. Good job!
Honey.
Yeah, it was.
I find it cold.
Okay. It's a rainy day today.
Go 5.
Okay, so slow.
Just go. You just barely pull the trigger. You just go slow with it.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
What are we doing? We are.
Sticky but stuff over.
Oh Jesus, that sounds so wrong, but it's Christmas Eve. Almost done with our flooring. Jia, what do you just do?
We just spent what? 17 days making the floor big. Speaking of 17 days.
Baby, do just go dance on the floor. Shake it like you mean it. Da,
Oh
da,
no, honey,
da.
everything is moving.
So right now, current progress. We are gonna. What are we gonna do?
I'm attaching the fuses now. I'm not gonna get this done before.
Oh my gosh, the light's on here, honey. Can you see? Oh my god.
Negative first. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Negative to negative, positive to positive. Can you turn on the thing?
We have fan! Honey, we have fan. We have fan. Oh my gosh, we have. So, what's the most amazing part about this table?
All our wood is probably 70% off. It is all scrap
That is
wood.
not a cool thing to
It
say.
is all scrap wood.
Yeah.
We didn't even buy a single piece of wood for this table. The only thing that we purchased was like
Ching, ching, ching. Doing the bit.
sorry, Keaton.
What are we doing now?
Abusing Keaton's room. Sorry, Keaton, I really apologize.
So, we're trying to make our bed right now. He's actually cutting through it.
Sorry, Keaton.
Cutting memory foam.
Welcome to our first house. Our first meal in the house. So today on the menu, we are having tomato salsa with steak and pasta with homemade tomato sauce. And
From scratch.
from scratch, yeah, homemade. And kind of like the origin of this story was because when we first met, we met in a random house somewhere in Singapore where there was nothing in the house except the two of us, and we just had to sit on the floor and have a meal together. And this was the exact same meal that we had, having in an empty house. And right now, because our van is unfurnished, because all the furniture is inside, we're just replicating the same meal right here.
So right now we are cooking in our van. We're cooking in our van.
Steaks on the house tonight. Okay. Welcome to Vanny. I don't know if you can see us.
Hi. It is 1:55 a.m. in the morning and it's the 8th of January and we are finally installing our bed.
Tenants is finally coming tomorrow.
Yes.
We're out of time. Sort of everything's kind of ready, and today we're kind of moving out to we'll actually be homeless today. Yeah. So hello everyone, welcome to our beautiful land. Beautiful land of we haven't decided on the name yet. But right now, Gracia is cutting the pineapple with the very, very timely Singapore tradition. And apparently, according to my grandmother, if you can't cut a pineapple properly, you're
Not manageable.
not marriageable. So this is
Pretty sad.
the test of Gracia's marriageability, I guess.